Hi, my name is Basia and today I will share with you 5 really awesome jewelry making tips. This first tip is a really cool dispenser for a bezel wire by Rebecca from Blue Sky Blackbird. To make this you will need a used floss container in which you can put a bezel wire, which is fine silver and therefore very soft and flexible. I absolutely love this idea. It's so much easier to make bezels and keep the wire organized and untangled. If you take out too much, don't worry because you can put it back in very easily. Now, do you also struggle with dust and debris flying around when you're working with your flex shaft? I do. It makes my bench very dirty, but I found a way to fix it. These face shields that were a fashion hit not too long ago due to you know what, can now be used in your workshop as a very handy shield. You can attach it to your bench peg. Here I simply used the elastic that was attached to the shield and added some sticky tape to hold it in place, but it's still removable. Now this shield blocks all of the dust from landing on my bench and tools in front of me. I can also clean it with a little brush. This shield was a game changer for me. I hope you'll find it helpful too. If you're struggling with making nice, uniform and even bales, Randy from Gomeo Creations made these really cool Bale templates. You can use them on your metal sheet as a template to mark the shape of your desired bale. Then you cut it out with a jeweler's saw and then you clean the edges so they're smooth. Here I'm also using stamps to decorate the bale. And here we have it, a bale that was much easier to make with a template. Here's my recent favorite organization tip. If you have lots of metal lying around and making a mess, wires, metal sheet, etc., you could try using spices or recipes boxes to keep them organized and handy. In my case, the top compartment is for bezel wires. The third one is for smaller metal sheet pieces. The second one is for various wires, and the first one is for decorative and gallery wires and some offcuts. It's so much easier to access everything now and keep it organized. I can put it next to me on my bench or move it wherever I need to. My last tip for today is this business cards organizer for your jewelry making components and elements. Whether you have them organized on small cards or stored in little bags, they will fit nicely in these compartments. You can then flip through with ease and see everything at a glance. It's also very small and easy to keep on your bench. And that's it for today. Stay tuned for more tips.